Hello everyone, I am Junaid Mustafa, first year undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 21ME30060. So here I have created a circuit for making a smoke detector for the DIY assignment. So here I have used a Arduino Uno microcontroller, a gas detecting sensor, 3 LEDs, 3 resistors, 2 piezo buzzers, the servo motor and 2 oscilloscopes. So here this gas sensor is given the 5-volt power supply from Arduino board and it is connected to analog pin A0. And here this oscilloscope is connected to this gas sensor to observe the input voltages. And you can see that I have used pins 2, 3, 4 for LEDs and pins 7, 8, 9 for piezo buzzers and servo motor. And all of them are grounded. And also here each resistors are of 1 kilo ohms. And here I have connected another oscilloscope to servo motor to visualize the sequence of voltage inputs. Now here's the code I have built for the circuit using blocks. So here I have set gas sensor to read analog pin A0, and then I have given 3 conditions based on the density of gas detected by it. So if density is less than 100, then only green LED will turn on, which is connected at pin 3. Similarly, when density is between 100 and 200, orange LED will turn on, which is connected at pin 4. But this time servometer is also going to rotate 90 degrees, and a piezo buzzer which is connected to pin 7 will ring with tone 44 for 0.3 seconds. Now when density of gas is greater than 200, then red LED is going to be turned on, which is at pin 2, and this time servo motor gonna rotate 180 degrees and piezo buzzer connected to pin 8 will ring with tone 71 for 5 seconds. So now there could be a doubt about why is the servo motor required, because we can use the servo motor to trigger any other actions when it rotates 90 degrees or 180 degrees, like triggering a system to send warning messages to the administration, or triggering a fire protection system, and so on. And here this is the text code. So now let's start the simulation to check whether it's actually working or not. So here you can see that green light is on when the gas is away from the gas detector. Now on slowly bringing the smoke towards this detector, the orange bulb turns on, and you can also see that servo motor has rotated 90 degrees. Also you can observe these changes in the oscilloscopes, and the piezo buzzer with tone 44 will keep ringing with a delay of 5 seconds between two rings. And now if we take the smoke too close to the smoke detector, so you have seen the red light turned on and the second piezo buzzer with tone 71 started ringing continuously. Also servo motor has rotated 180 degrees and there were changes in the oscilloscopes too. Now let's see all these three cases again. So let's check our text code now. So here's the text code. Now here I have pasted the code in the Arduino IDE. Now on verifying, it shows done compiling, so it means there are no errors. Now this code is ready to get uploaded to real Arduino Uno microcontroller. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.